Okay, so this one is the Coalesced Chaining method. This one is arguably the hardest one of them all, but easy nonetheless. So this one only has one hash, only has a hashing function. It doesn't do any rehash. What it does is when you get a clashing value, you go to the bottom of the you start from the bottom and insert values from the first available position starting from the bottom. You see how it works. So the first value you want to insert is 10. So 10 mod 10 is equal to 0. Right? So again, I'll give you M in the question. So we insert 10. You'll notice we have another column here called the next column. We'll see what the next column is for in a minute. So the next value we want to insert is 15. So 15 mod 10 is equal to 5. So we go to 15 and insert, we go to 5 and insert 15, right? So the next value we want to insert is 26. 26 mod 10 is equal to 6. So we go to position 6 and insert 26. So the next value we want to insert is 30. 30 mod 10 is equal to 0. But at position 0, we have a value. So in this case, we would usually rehash, but since this method does not use any rehash, it uses a chain. And along that chain, if you follow this chain, you would find the next value you're looking for. So when we come across a clashing or a collision in the table, we go to the bottom of the table and we look for the first free available spot. In this case, the first free available spot is position 9. So we insert 30 at position 9. Now, they call it a chain because you must be able, from one position, you must be able to find every value that would have been in this column by following this chain, right? So in this chain, we have a next column, and in this next column, we will insert position 9 because we were number 30 was supposed to be here, but instead it was inserted at number 9. So if you were to follow this chain, if you were to come to 10 and look at 9 and then go to 9, you would find number 30. So we go to the next value, 25. 25 mod 10 is equal to 5. The same story again, to have something here. Again, we go to the bottom of the table and we look for the first free available spot, which is position 8. Right? So 25 was supposed to be here, but instead it ended up being here. So we have to update the next column with which part 25 is supposed to be. Because it's a chain, you must be able to follow the chain and find all the values which are supposed to be at this particular position. So the next value is 35. So 35 mod 10 is equal to 5. So the same thing again. We come here, we see it have something. So then we go to so then we start from the bottom and we see that the next available position is position 7, right? So actually we come here and we see that position 8, so we go to position 8, right? And above position 8 we could insert 35, right? So now we have to update this column to point to which part we could find the next value that's supposed to be here, right? So we put position 7, right? Because, okay, if we were to insert, like we say, 45, right? Is equal to 5. 45 was supposed to be here, right? Then when we go to the bottom, 45 would have been here. But it can't be here. Then it would have been here, but it can't be here. So we look for the first available spot from the bottom, which is here, and we insert it. So now we go to which part in the chain from position, from all values for 5, and we update it. So we could find position, we could find 45 at position 4. Right? And I kind of screw up the explanation at the end, but I hope you understand.